Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in ruby red with gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and it's also got an FX4 off-road package. It's a 4x4, and it also has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted and has manual lumbar. Your lighting control is located here, and there's a grab handle in the body. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice-activated system, and media system with volume. When we start the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, and as well, we have a menu that you can toggle through, and I'm just going to get in there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. The automatic shifter also has tow haul and sport, and when we press that, you'll see it to the right of the odometer reading. There's tow haul, and then S for sport. And off again. In the center, there's a little bit of a cubby up above, and then there's hill descent, traction control, and hazard lights. Below, you're seeing your media choices of AM, FM, satellite radio, as well as CD. And this is also where you're going to see the backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. Below that is your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. You also have your climate control with AC and max AC and front defrost. Off to the side is 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below you have USB and a 12-volt outlet and a little bin there. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders and more storage. Then you can flip this right up. Now you've got another seat, and down below you're seeing a couple of cup holders, and you can also lift this for more storage. Off to the side is your 12-volt outlet. You've got a locking glove compartment. Up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and sunglass holder. 18-inch wheels, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle. You have a 4- and 7-pin connector and a trailer hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nicely lined with a spray-in liner, and there's tie-downs in all 4 corners. In the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab and it'll bring it right down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. Cup holders, as well as a 12-volt right there on the floor. In the body, a grab handle. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a window. Per 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.